A Turkish naval warship has arrived at Karachi port, just days after a Turkish Air Force C-130 aircraft landed in Karachi. Bangladesh Air Force is flying the Turkish-supplied Bayraktar TB2 armed drone near the Indian border. Malaysian Prime Minister has issued statements supporting Pakistan's call for independent investigation of the Pahalgam terror attacks. Pakistan's ambassador to Russia has said that Pakistan would respond with the full spectrum of power, including both conventional and nuclear, if India attacks Pakistan or attempts to disrupt Pakistan's water supply. Pakistan's defense minister has claimed that Pakistan's J-10 fighter jets successfully disrupted the radar and communication systems of 4 Indian Rafale fighter jets patrolling near the line of control, which has been dismissed by both foreign and Indian experts as exaggerated propaganda. According to a leaked Chinese document, Pakistan had acquired 240 PL-15E export variant missiles that has a capped range of 145 kilometers, dismissing Pakistan's false claim of 200 kilometers range. In a major development, the indigenous Manik engine is now fully ready for mass production, which will result in the large-scale induction of near-bay long-range cruise missiles in all 3 services. Pakistani intelligence agents are impersonating Indian Navy officers and are making phone calls to naval bases to extract sensitive information about aircraft carriers and other warships. The ISRO now has the capability to conduct dogfights in space with enemy satellites. The government is all set to clear 16 more BSF battalions comprising 17,000 troopers and set up 2 forward headquarters to guard Pakistan and Bangladesh frontiers. Brazilian Army has inducted Indian ground panoramic night vision goggles developed and manufactured by Bharat Electronics Limited. As the Indian Air Force evaluates options for its 114 MRFA tender, Russia's Su-57 stealth fighter is emerging as a compelling contender. Recent developments in Russia's increased Su-57 production capacity and AL-51 engineering completion, coupled with a robust offer for co-production at Hindustan Aeronautics with full transfer of technology, positions the Su-57 as a viable interim solution to bridge the gap until India's AMCA enters service. The AL-51 next-generation stealth engine is nearing the end of its testing phase and will enter full-scale production by the end of 2025, and this timeline aligns with India's procurement schedule. In a big development, the Indian Army has asked the Ministry of Defense to abandon the plan to procure Stryker armored personnel carriers from the US, following disappointing trial results in Ladakh, and the Army is throwing its weight behind an improved indigenous variant of the WAP, also known as the Advanced Armored Platform Wheeled, which recently underwent metal cutting process by DRDO Tata Advanced Systems and Bharat Forge. Today's top 3 comments.